Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Colleen and this is Pixie Sparkles. That's Pixie. Yes, I'm wearing 2 pairs of glasses because I can't see to diamond paint unless I do. I decided to just come on here and show you the raw deal. I'm gonna diamond paint. I'm working on When I Lost You by Mandy Manzano. Have any of you done one of Mandy's? Oh my goodness, I'm hooked. This is my first for her. I have a couple, I think I have 2 more in my stash, but I love the way the colors just are blending into one another, and we have some of the black outline as well with it. It's a square kit. It has 49 colors, not too many, and I'm enjoying it very much. I'm also in the process of editing video. I wanted to show you what my July plans are as far as diamond painting. I went through my list. I was just curious, how many different artists do I have in my current collection and who haven't I completed yet? And so this census came to be Margaret Morales. I have, and of course, what did I do with that paper? Let me find it. Oh, here it is. It's over here. Oh, you all, I need to do an unboxing of Jeremiah Kettner's coloring book too. I've had it, look, and it's still in the package. I haven't opened it. And sorry, Jeremiah, I'll get to that, I promise. What was I talking about? Oh, yes, I'm all over the place. Margaret Morales. I had 3 in my stash. I've never done one of hers, so I picked one today to put into my WIP rotation. And the other artist that I have a lot of that I haven't is Teresa Donahue McManus. I have 6 of hers and I haven't done any of them. So I picked one. So this is what I was showing you, my WIPs for 2026, and I just basically have written all over it. So I'm gonna have to update that. But I have Free to Roam, Lovebird Lodge, Coco the Chihuahua, Mystery Kit 101 by Peggy Collins, Fairy Storyteller, Puppy Loving Petunia, Duck Bath, Rose Trellis Inn, My Mom, The Portrait, Moments of Tranquility that I'm doing with Painting Sparkles. Then I kitted up Heavenly. I'm going to do Dreaming Elephant by Jeremiah Kettner, Spring Awakening by Margaret Morales, Stained Glass Gown by Teresa Donahue McManus, Petals Fall. That's it, by Yume. I have been wanting to do that one. Pink and White, All Dogs Do Go to Heaven, Wings of Valor. Enchanting Edge by Rose Prophet and Captured by Radiance. Sun Showers by Luke Winter and Dreamer Designs. And then, of course, I have the recently unboxed and put drills down on Blush Orchid Glass by Feel Art. Anyway, let me show you the storage. So this is the same company that does these. I don't know if you've seen these, but these have 60 in them. I like these. They hold a lot of drills, see? But it does hurt when I have to push it because I'm getting old and you know, that's just what happens. Your hands hurt. But the same company also made this with these little, oh, I hadn't even looked at these. It has a little flap on it. Let me see. I can use my, right? Yeah, I can use my Lego tool right here to open it. Let me do it the right way. Yeah, maybe it won't hurt as much. Anyway, this one has 8 times 12. Somebody do the math. 96. I think that's why I got it. But, you know, I don't know how many drills you can hook. Well, I'll let you know. Let me see. Out of all the kits that I have, I don't know which one I'll do in here. Whatever has the most. And I think, it's one of them I just looked at. It might be the stained glass. Let me see. Stained glass has 64. It's not that one. It's not the Dreaming Elephant, of course. Petals Fall only has 42. Heavenly has 71. It's Spring Awakening. I'll use it for that one because that has 82. Yes. So I'll probably use this for Spring Awakening. Margaret Morales. Thanks for helping me decide. I have to kit up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I like having variety. I am interested in buying more diamond art kits because I want to know, what is Mystical Dream Diamonds like? What is Pressed in Place like? What's the quality? My personal experience hasn't been great with other small shops. So I would love to find another company as great as Diamond Art Club, but I have not found anyone that to date would ever replace Diamond Art Club for me being #1 quality. But and I don't even think that these small shops they don't even sell their kits cheaper, and they're not even, no offense. I mean, I know small businesses need support, And I have supported small businesses, especially in the putty area. But, oh, there is another one I'm interested. I really feel like it's going to measure up to is Ditsy's Diamond Den. I wanted to get Reagan Kubitschek's, the one with the little, the girl, not with the little, but the girl holding the ladybug. It was just released 2 days ago. I went to the site and I almost purchased it. I'm really interested in that one. And then one for Mystical Dream Diamonds. And then I'm tempted. I have like multiple times gone to Pressed and Placed and added their mystery box. And they're so cute this month because Diamond Painting for Linda, I think she just did an unboxing of that. And I almost purchased them, but I haven't because I have so many in my collection or stash, whatever we call it, that I want to do. But if I keep buying, it just pushes those down the line, right? They get further. And so I'm not buying any. I did not cave. I did not buy anything. Hello, this is Editing Colleen, and the very next day, after saying that I hadn't purchased anything, Diamond Art Club released Mandy Manzano's When the Clock Strikes 12. This was one that I had voted on 6 months ago, so I grabbed it. And along with it, I also purchased Axolotl because it's so adorable and I love the pastel colors. That one is by Emily Girage. About a week later, I also purchased one of Forever Young's canvases that I had been eyeing. It is Summer Serenity by the Sea. It doesn't have an artist listed. Then I had a paint-along buddy reach out to me and ask me if I was going to get any of the newly released mystery kits. And I caved because one of them is adorable and the other one is one that an artist do not have in my collection and wanted to try. And that is Mystery Kit 125 Interior Enchanted Estate by Rita Konya. And the other one was Mystery Kit 127 Interior by Pomichi. After that, and thinking of how I've been considering doing a no-buy, I thought, well, I've already fallen into this hole. While I'm here, I'm going to buy some of the ones that I have been looking at. I went to Oraloa's site, and there were two that I grabbed that is by the artist Maria Chetkareva. Now, I have been looking at these before, and I went ahead and I purchased them. And they are A Ride Through Wonderland and The Enchanted Chromosome. Meanwhile, the Feel Look Art canvas arrived, blush orchid glass, and after laying drills on it, I decided I was going to purchase two from Feel Look Art, and I ended up getting the Carousel Horse and Flair for the Dramatic. And then the other company that I talked about really wanting to try is Pressed and Placed. I purchased two Spring Bicycle Ride and Family Bubble Bath by Cocoa. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing the name right or not. I'll be doing unboxings of those. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, just so you know, I put a post up on my YouTube asking my viewers to choose one of 4 canvases to be added in for my July WIP rotation, and I will be letting you know right now. It appears Dreaming of a Better Tomorrow is in the lead. I'm going to give it a couple more days, and if it doesn't change, looks like we're going to be starting up Dreaming of a Better Tomorrow. Thanks for watching. I hope you all have a great week, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.